stop scrolling. Seen those fruit drama videos, right? The ones getting millions of views overnight? Creators are blowing up because engagement is unreal. Plot twist, I found the tools to make them for $0. And I'm giving you the whole blueprint right now. People are using tools like this to build faceless channels and post non-stop content. They're turning simple videos into real money online. I'll show you how to do it step by step. That's why it's important to thrive with Darlett. Now let's get started.
You handle the accounts now, every detail.
I won't mess this up. No one will ever notice the money missing.
Just don't overdo it.
Relax. We're covered.
These numbers don't add up. Find out why. I will. We reroute it. Layer transactions.
Will it work?
It has to, or we are going to jail.
Into your ChatGPT account. You're gonna paste the prompt and it will be left in the description, okay? Once you've done that, it will ask you what type of fruit character do you want. Examples: strawberry, banana, mango, and should it be male or female, okay? You can also include an age range or fashion style if you like, okay? So now that I have it in here, I'm gonna go to the bottom so it can generate a prompt for the fruits that I have selected. And now, so we're gonna go to Google. You're gonna type in Whisk AI. You're gonna click on the top one, okay? So we're gonna use the prompts from ChatGPT to create our images. Now, I already have an account with Whisk, but if you didn't, you can sign up using your Google account. So once that's done, click on the Enter tool. Back at ChatGPT, you're gonna copy your first prompt here, okay? In the Whisk Labs, you're gonna paste it right here. All right. We're gonna go down to the bottom. We're gonna make sure it's 9:16 ratio, and then hit generate. Okay, so here are the images that it gave us. I think it looks pretty good. If you didn't like the images, just click below and it would generate again for you. This is what it gave us. I like this one more so than this one over here. I'm gonna select this image here. I'll go to the top and click on the download button, okay? And so you would go right back to ChatGPT and repeat the process. You would come down here and delete and put your next prompt here and continue to do this until you have all your images from ChatGPT completed. Okay, so here are the images that Whisk gave me. The characters look fun, vibrant colors, with expression. Okay, back in ChatGPT, we're going to copy our scene prompt. So we are back at Whisk, and I'm going to upload the image that I created. So I put all the characters on one page, and so now I'm going to upload that into my subject area. And come back for our scene. We're going to right click, copy, prompt, and hit enter. Okay, so this is the scene that Whisk gave us. I did just change his outfit to a suit because I think it looks better. So now I'm going to go ahead and download the image. So you will complete this process until you have all your scenes completed. Okay, guys, so what you're going to do next is go to Google, type in Flow AI. You're going to click on this one right here. Then you're going to do, if you don't have an account with Flow AI, just link it to your Google account. Go here at the bottom and click New Project. We're going to come down here. We're going to make sure the ratio is 9:16. We're going to click on frames. But once that's done, click OK. I'm going to upload my image. Click on the image and you're going to click animate. It pops up right here. We're going to copy our video prompt. And type in generate the video using the script. Okay. I'm going to add, do not add music. Okay, then click generate. You can see it right there. All you have to do is click on it. The video looks good. It followed my prompt. So guys, I'm going to go right back and I'm going to click on my second image, guys. Okay. Animate and repeat the process. Go right back to ChatGPT and put your prompt below, okay? So once you're done, guys, go to each clip, right click, click on download 720, and it'll download, okay? You will continue to do that until you have all your videos downloaded. Okay, guys, the next thing that you want to do is use your favorite editing software, and I'm using Canva. Once you have all your scenes below, go to share, go to download, and click the download button. Please don't forget the prompt in the description. Please remember to like and subscribe.